Hello everyone, welcome. I'm Maitli Nair. Today is the 50th episode of CET 93.0 FM. That means this is our golden episode, and we have actually gone live either for a video podcast or an audio podcast for 50 consecutive weeks with a couple of midweek releases that is extra. Sounds mind boggling, isn't it? Yes, it does. But how did it happen? It happened because of the support and encouragement that all of us got from each and every one of you. Therefore, before we begin today's episode, I would like to thank each and every one of you on behalf of the entire College of Engineering 93 batch Trivandrum uh, for supporting and encouraging us. We have in these 50 episodes brought together a lot of different type of audio and video podcasts, some of them being multilingual voice drama, then acting, singing, dancing, poetry recitals in multiple languages, book reviews in multiple languages, um, presenting of stories of our own batchmates and their family members, sketching, painting, sculpting, and a lot of other creative ventures. And you have supported us in each of these initiatives, and that makes a lot of difference. Thank you, one and all. This episode is directed and video edited by me. We have the participation of 12 of our batchmates in this episode. Two of our batchmates' children, Arith and Veda, are our anchors. This golden episode comes at an appropriate time when each of us have either celebrated or will be celebrating our own 50th birthday in the coming year or next. So, what better time to relive the 50 years that we have spent on this planet Earth with our family and kids and friends, isn't it? So, without much ado, let us start this 50th episode. Over to you, our anchors, Arith and Veda.
Namaskaram. Welcome to CET 93 FM, a channel dedicated to showing the artistic side of the College of Engineering Trivandrum 1993 batchmates and their families. I am Arith Krishna, studying in grade 8. I am the son of CET batchmates Priji and Biju Varas.
Namaskaram. Welcome to CET 93.0 FM. I am Veda, daughter of Venkatesh Tyagarajan, 93 Mechanical, and Vani Vishwanathan of 95 Electronics and Electrics. I'll be here with you in this podcast along with Arith.
Today, November 14th, is celebrated as Children's Day, paying tribute to India's first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday. He was fondly called Chacha Nehru by the children and wore his signature white hat, popularly called the Gandhi Topi, with a red rose in his breast pocket.
I often hear my parents say being children was the best phase of our lives. The only thing we had to worry about was our studies in school, and they sit back with a nostalgic expression on their face.
Let us try to capture that essence today with this presentation by Mr. Sajid Muhammad, 93 Computer Science, and his family. These are the members of Sajid Uncle's family, his wife Bushra, and the children Azim and Zameen.
हम भी अगर बच्चे होते नाम हमारा होता गबलू बबलू खाने को मिलते लड्डू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हम भी अगर बच्चे होते नाम हमारा होता गबलू बबलू खाने को मिलते लड्डू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू कोई लाता गुड़िया मोटर रेल तो कोई लाता फिरकी लट्टू कोई चाबी का टट्टू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू
CET 93 Telecommunications is represented today by Mrs. Sona S. This is her debut CET 93.0 FM presentation, and therefore we welcome her warmly to this creative group. Welcome, Sona Auntie. She lives in Bangalore with her husband Sunil Menon and two sons, Adit working in Microsoft and Vishnu studying second year in engineering. They have chosen the song Unnigale Oru Katha Parayam from the movie with the same title released in 1987, written by Kamal and enacted by Mohanlal.
ഉണ്ണികളെ ഒരു കഥ പറയാം, ഈ പുല്ലാങ്കുഴലിൻ കഥ പറയാം. ഉണ്ണികളെ ഒരു കഥ പറയാം, ഈ പുല്ലാങ്കുഴലിൻ കഥ പറയാം. പുൽമേട്ടിലോ പൂങ്കാട്ടിലോ, പുൽമേട്ടിലോ പൂങ്കാട്ടിലോ, എങ്ങോ പിറന്നു പണ്ടിളം മൂളം കൂട്ടിൽ. ഉണ്ണികളെ ഒരു കഥ പറയാം, ഈ പുല്ലാങ്കുഴലിൻ കഥ പറയാം.
We have done Hindi and Malayalam, haven't we? Let us now bring in variety by seeing a presentation in Tamil. It is the very popular song Anjali Anjali Anjali, directed by Mani Ratnam, way back in 1990, where the star was the then 3-year-old baby Shamli. This song is presented in their own style by the musically inclined Mrs. Gayatri B.E. and her family. Gayatri auntie lives in Austin, Texas with her two children Shreya and Vedant and her husband Ravi.
Hi, my name is Renan.
Hi, I'm Gayatri, and together we are going to play a song of a favorite song of ours, Anjali Anjali Anjali, from the movie Anjali.
Anjali, Anjali, Anjali. Inna kanvani kanne. Anjali, Anjali, Anjali. Minnum minnum sanne. കൺമണി കണ്ണേ അഞ്ജലി 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 മിന്നും മിന്നേ.
Well, did you know that until 1956 Children's Day in India was celebrated on 20th November along with Universal Children's Day? After Nehru ji passed away, a resolution was passed in Parliament to celebrate his birthday, and thus it was 1956 that November 14th was celebrated as the first Children's Day. Chacha Nehru loved children. Imbibing the spirit, children are the center of attraction during this day, and many schools throw a party to make children feel special. We at CET 93.0 FM continue this trend and now present one of the youngest members of CET 93 family, Srinand, age 6, son of Mr. Sajan Warrior from Applied Electronics. The song they have chosen is Bam Bam Bole from the famous film Tare Zameen Par, released in 2007, starring Amir Khan and Darshil Safari. Not all parents have the good fortune to live with their children 24/7, 365 days. In some families, one or both the parents have to work in a different city, different state, and sometimes even different country. Here we portray this very same situation in Mr. Binay Jose, CET 93 Applied Electronics, who works in Telangana while his family is in Kerala. These are the members of Binay Uncle's family. His wife, Binu George, and two kids, son Joel studying in class 12 and daughter Joetta, a 10th grader. This song is aptly worded with the opening lines, Ikkare aanande tamasam, akkare aanande manasam. It is from the film Karthika, released in 1968. It's a black and white song pictured on Nazir and Malika on a boat.
താമസം അക്കരയാണെൻ്റെ മാനസം പൊന്നണിഞ്ഞെത്തിയ മധുമാസം എന്നുള്ളിൽ ചൊരിയുന്നു രാഗരസം ഇക്കരയാണെൻ്റെ താമസം അക്കരയാണെൻ്റെ മാനസം.
In this next presentation, a whole family of 4 is represented. This is presented by Mrs. Maithili K. Nair from CET Electrical Engineering. Her husband, Hari Kumar, a fellow CETian of CET 89, is joined by their son Hemant H. Kumar, who works for JP Morgan Chase, and her mother, Indra K. Nair. The song presented by this family is Kilugil Pambaram from the film Kilukkam, a 1991 musical comedy directed by Priyadarshan, starring Revati, Mohanlal, Jagadi, Tilagan and Innocent.
കിലുകിൽ പമ്പരം തിരിയും മാനസം അറിയാതമ്പിളി മയങ്ങുവാവോ പനിനീർ ചന്ദ്രികേ ഇനി പൂങ്കത് കുളിരിൽ മെല്ലെ നീ തഴുകുവാവോ
We now add in more variety by presenting the pets of the family. This unique idea is picturized by Mr. Biju KP from 93 Mechanical. Biju uncle lives with his wife Deepa and their son Gautam in Trivandrum. They are a family of cat lovers and have an army of cats named Blackie, Kato, Snowy, Ginger and the very regal one, Kunyan. The song's central character is Kunyan and the song is titled Pandura Katil from the film Sandarbam released in 1984. The song is written by Puvachal Kathir, tuned by Johnson and sung by P. Sushila. Yeah.
പണ്ടൊരു കാട്ടിലൊരാൺ സിംഹം മതിച്ചു വാണിരുന്നു. പണ്ടൊരു കാട്ടിലൊരാൺ സിംഹം മതിച്ചു വാണിരുന്നു. ജീവികൾക്കെല്ലാം ശല്യമായി എങ്ങും മേഞ്ഞിരുന്നു. സിംഹം എങ്ങും മേഞ്ഞിരുന്നു. പണ്ടൊരു കാട്ടിലൊരാൺ സിംഹം മതിച്ചു വാണിരുന്നു. ജീവികൾക്കെല്ലാം ശല്യമായി എങ്ങും മേഞ്ഞിരുന്നു. സിംഹം എങ്ങും മേഞ്ഞിരുന്നു.
We now present Aishwarya, daughter of CET 93, Mr. Adi Narayanan from Electrical Engineering, and her dance. She is presenting Kannanthumbi Poramo from the film Kakothi Kavile Appupan Dadigal, released in 1984, directed by Kamal. Aishwarya needs no introduction to CET 93ans, who are familiar with her dance videos in her YouTube channel. But in CET 93.2 FM channel, she will be appearing for the first time ever in this presentation. Adi uncle lives in Bangalore with his wife Neepa and Aishwarya. She is fondly called Ammu at home and studies in Kensri School.
തിത്തി തിത്തി നൃത്തം വയ്ക്കും പൂന്തെന്നൽ മുത്തം വയ്ക്കാനെത്തുന്നുണ്ടേ പല്ലക്കിൽ എന്തേ തുള്ളാത്തു വാവേ വാവാച്ചി തുമ്പക്കുടങ്ങളിൽ തുള്ളിക്കളിക്കുന്ന കുഞ്ഞിളപ്പാട്ടിന്റെ കൂട്ടുകാരി മിന്നിത്തിളങ്ങുമെൻ പൊന്നിൻ കിനാക്കൾക്ക് നിന്നെയാണോ മലേറെ ഇഷ്ടം ചിങ്കിരി മുത്തല്ലേ എന്റെ ചിത്തിര കുഞ്ഞല്ലേ കണ്ണാം തുമ്പി പോരാമോ എന്നോടിഷ്ടം കൂടാമോ നിന്നെ കൂടാതില്ലല്ലോ ഇന്നുള്ളിൽ പൂക്കാലം കളിയാടാമീ കിളിമരത്തണലോരം കളിയാടാമീ കിളിമരത്തണലോരം കണ്ണാം തുമ്പി പോരാമോ എന്നോടിഷ്ടം കൂടാമോ നിന്നെ കൂടാതില്ലല്ലോ ഇന്നുള്ളിൽ പൂക്കാലം
Now we present a Bengali mother-daughter duo. This is Mrs. Swagata Sen Roy of CET 93 Electrical and her daughter Adarshini Roy. The family of three is completed by Colonel Roy. They live in Kolkata. The song they have chosen is Yun Hi Kat Jayega Safar from the movie Hum Hai Rahi Pyar Ke.
यूं ही कट जाएगा सफर साथ चलने से कि मंजिल आएगी नजर साथ चलने से यूं ही कट जाएगा सफर साथ चलने से कि मंजिल आएगी नजर साथ चलने से
यूं ही कट जाएगा सफर साथ चलने से कि मंजिल आएगी नजर साथ चलने से
ला 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 ला
We present a song by a mother-son duo. This is presented by Miss Pravida Muralidharan from 93 Civil and her son Akash. Pravida auntie and her family live in Dubai. Her elder son, Akhil, is studying in NIT Rourkela and Akash is studying in grade 9. They present the song Moham Kundunyan, picturized on Menaka and her son.
മോഹം കൊണ്ടു ഞാൻ ദൂരെയേതോ ഈണം പൂത്തനാൾ മധു തേടിപ്പോയി വീഴേ താഴെ തളിരാർന്നു പൂവനങ്ങൾ മോഹം കൊണ്ടു ഞാൻ ദൂരെയേതോ ഈണം പൂത്തനാൾ മധു തേടിപ്പോയി
We move to the 1970s now, to the film Kabhi Kabhi, a 1976 musical romantic drama produced and directed by Yash Chopra. A song from this film is presented in a unique way by Mr. Jeevan from 93 Computer Science, who lives in Plainsboro, New Jersey. He sings the song with his wife Sapna. They have 2 children, Sneha, who's doing her master's in biomedical engineering, and Akshaj, a 12th grader. The last presentation for the day is by my family. We are presenting the song Chanda Hai Tu from the film Aradhana. This is a 1969 Hindi romantic drama.
चंदा है तू मेरा सूरज है तू ओ मेरी आँखों का तारा है तू चंदा है तू मेरा सूरज है तू ओ मेरी आँखों का तारा है तू जीती हूँ मैं बस तुझे देख के इस टूटे दिल का सहारा है तू चंदा है तू मेरा सूरज है तू सुंदर है तू छोटा सा है कितना प्यारा है तू चंदा है तू मेरा सूरज है तू
That was today's presentation. Before we end, I just wanted to bring to the notice of children watching this that every year, roughly a month before Children's Day, Google calls for a doodle competition. In doodling, we need to write the word Google imaginatively with a theme. Here are some prize-winning doodles.
The first one depicts a kid's imagination of how to avoid deforestation if trees just had legs and could walk to another place.
This one shows a machine in the depths of the ocean picking up plastic bottles. I came to know this recently and therefore decided to share it with you all. Maybe one of us could be a doodler as well, right?
As APJ Abdul Kalam said, you have to dream first before they can come true. Let Children's Day every year help us to remember how to dream, no matter how old we become. Hope you enjoy this presentation as much as we enjoy bringing it to you. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.
Thank you. Namaste.